Kissing your girlfriend thoughtfully can deepen your romantic connection. Start by ensuring both of you are comfortable and in a private, relaxed setting. Create a mood that feels intimate and free from distractions. Make eye contact and lean in slowly, allowing the anticipation to build naturally. Brush your lips gently against hers to gauge her response and ensure mutual interest. Use your hands to caress her face or gently hold her, adding layers of intimacy to the moment. Keep your movements slow and attentive. Avoid the urge to rush. Being present in the moment is crucial. Let your emotions guide you and focus on the connection you are sharing. Pay close attention to her cues. If she seems comfortable and responsive, you can gradually increase the intensity. Remember, a kiss is more than just a physical act. It's about expressing your feelings and connecting on a deeper level. Practice makes perfect, and over time, you'll learn to read her signals better and share even more meaningful kisses. By being thoughtful and present, you can transform a simple kiss into a powerful expression of your love and affection.